Many of us think stress is just something that happens inside our heads. We dismiss it, saying, oh, it's just in my mind. But what science is showing us now, it's actually quite terrifying. Stress isn't just a feeling. When a tiger chased a world, there are no tigers. Instead, we have deadlines, traffic jams, and endless emails. But see, your body doesn't understand the difference between a tiger and a deadline. It stays preparing for battle 24/7, and this constant state of war, that is never rest. Instead, it starts your road from the inside.
I see what you mean. It's a continuous state of alert.
Let me give you a simple analogy. We all know that excess sugar or glucose is bad for us, right? Just as glucose damages our blood vessels, stress literally cooks our cells from the inside out. Imagine an invisible oven burning inside you. In medical terms, we call this oxidative stress. When you are chronically stressed, your body produces free radicals. Think of it like rust forming on iron. Stress causes your cells to rust. On the outside, you might look perfectly fine. But inside, this chronic inflammation is a slow burning fire that is quietly scorching your blood vessels, your heart, and your organs. We call it the silent killer for a reason. It doesn't stop there. When you are stressed, your bloodstream is flooded with a hormone called cortisol. In short bursts, it saves your life. But chronically, it attacks your very DNA. Our DNA has protective caps at the ends called telomeres. Stress actively shortens these telomeres. What does that mean? It means that regardless of your actual age, you are aging faster at a genetic level. You are literally accelerating your own aging process simply by remaining in this state of high alert. So you might ask, what is the end result of all this? The result is diseases that often baffle us. First, autoimmune diseases. When the body is constantly in battle mode, the immune system gets confused and starts attacking your own healthy cells. Conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus often start here. Second, cardiovascular issues. Stress hormones stiffen your blood vessels, putting immense pressure on your heart. And third, metabolic chaos. Even if you don't eat sugar, stress disrupts your blood sugar regulation. You can be at risk for type 2 diabetes solely because of how stress changes your metabolism. But it's not all doom and gloom. The good news is that we have the power to change this destructive biological programming. We can alter this health trajectory. It is entirely in our hands. Simply saying, take a deep breath, isn't enough anymore. We need biological solutions. First, we need to eat foods that extinguish that internal fire, things like turmeric, omega-3s, and antioxidant-rich plants. Second, through practices like meditation, we have to signal to our nervous system, there is no tiger, you are safe. The moment you convince your body that it is safe, cortisol levels drop, and the body switches from battle mode to repair mode. So here's the takeaway. We cannot eliminate stress from life, but how we process that stress dictates how long and how well we live. Do not let your body burn out from the inside. Start building your biological armor today.